Alright everyone, it's Mitch, Triple Fork Artifacts. There's Barry. We're hunting a creek today, late in the afternoon, because everybody's had things we had to get done today. It's a Sunday. But we're at a park, and in state-owned property you're allowed to hunt stone tools and stuff like that, but no arrowheads. But I just wanted to show you. I've had a set of artifacts at the house set up for the last 3 or 4 days, and I just hadn't got them on video. So it's been worked a little bit. It's stone that's got that little powder like quartz inside of it. It's real soft quartz. I don't know the name of it exactly, but
Kind of shit. I think it'd be eroded down.
Yeah. Quartz looks like it's been broke off something. You can see it's had a shape to it. Looks like we got a big gravel bar up ahead. Yeah, when I get home tonight, I'll probably have artifacts I got sitting on the table. I'll try to get them out tonight. But I might throw this on first thing for when I leave here. Trying to walk the water so the water don't get over our boots. Was just gonna wear a pair of tennis shoes and wait it today, but I've had problems on my feet here lately. I've been trying to take it easy on them. See where people's been down here because it's been in a city area. So you know you can find artifacts, toting Native American Indian artifacts in city areas where people just walk over them every day and don't even realize what they're stepping on. Saw another piece of something there. I can't remember what it was. Yeah. Yeah, I see it right there.
That piece.
Yeah, I was getting ready to say, what about that piece there?
They'll fool you.
Yeah. I tell you, a lot of these rocks will fool you until you actually get down and check them, clean them, and check them out. And like I said about a lot of them, you can find places where your fingers fit right in on it. And it shows you what kind of tool it is. There's blackstone here. Looks like it's being worked. Got quartz running right through it. Oh yeah, come here and look at this, Barry.
Yeah.
See where it's been cut out?
Yeah, you can see it. Something.
It's rounded on this side and this side, and right here on this side, and been broke on this side.
That's like broke.
Yeah. See, little things like that shows you know, that they was human made. Might say man or human, but or even women and children. Because some of the tools that they make are made just for children to use. The sizes of them and stuff like that. Check that one out, Barry.
No, what? It looks like it's been drilled.
Straight one right there facing that way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it might have been a drill. I don't think it was though. Here's another one that's being worked. Rounded off on this side. That side. Pretty much felt like the one I just had to have the quartz running through it.
Yeah, they like that material.
Yeah, what do you think of that though?
But it's got some kind of cortex on the outside.
Yeah.
There's very few that's fine like that.
Well, it's just like that one I just put in there though. I mean, it had the quartz vein running through it. That kind of looks like it's a blade right there.
Yeah, old scraping.
See where it's being worked right here on this edge right here. Goes into like a blade. It had a handle here. Even like a scraper like this maybe. Hold on to that. Now today I was going to try to keep from loading anything down and make it heavy on me carrying back, but you know how that goes. Looks like a polisher. And this looks like bone, but it's quartz, I think. Check this piece here up, bro. It just come out of the water. That was something at one time right there.
This cool.
Yeah, I mean, it caught my eyes right there in the water. I mean, sometimes that's where you find your good stuff. You can see right down in that water. Piece of colored glass.
tell if it just washed out of the bank or it's just been chipped. Or when it flooded, it was
Looks like
chipped.
either got chipped or cracked and come out of the bank.
It's awful white.
That piece right there, that grayish looking piece. So it might be some kind of scraper or something maybe.
Chunky.
Well, they had chunky scrapers too, though. Somebody's been eating some Pringles. See the Pringles down here? Looks like it's being worked. You never know, it could have been. It was too straight for it to just be a break. So it looks like a little bit further down up. Something, I don't know what, maybe a polisher or something, maybe. Now this here. Some of this stuff we're kind of trying to leave on the way back. But we don't carry the heavy stuff up and then have to carry it all the way back. While I was leaving the bag laying right there's water, half of it in the water. An apple.
Little flakes of quartz everywhere.
Alright everybody, I'm going to go ahead and let you off here for right now. And as soon as we start finding some, there's another big gravel up here on your right and another one up there on your left. But we go on here, we start finding anything good, I'll throw you back on here and we'll put another video on. And I appreciate the viewers and the new subscribers I've been getting. Sorry I hadn't got back with you on following you on whatever you're doing or whatever. But I just check out a lot of people first. And but I appreciate all my viewers and my subscribers, like I said. And I appreciate any new ones. And hope everybody's enjoying this. It's something I enjoy doing when I'm going out. And I'll catch you back after a while. Have a good one.